Myself Shankar Singh Meena, EPA third year. My presentation on digital to analog and analog to digital conversion. Contents: Introduction to analog and digital signals, process of conversion A to D and E to A signals. Now the type of D to A converters, types of A to D converters, applications of ADC and DAC. Definitions. Number one, analog signals. Analog signals are the signals which may have infinite number of different values. They vary continuously with time, sine wave, triangular wave, etc. Are the few examples of analog signals. Number two, digital signals. A signal is known as digital signal if it has only a finite number of predominated distinct magnitudes depending upon the number of distinct magnitudes. Now I am talking about digital to analog conversion, DAC or D. You can see block diagram, binary input, DAC, convert, analog output. Basically, digital to analog conversion convert into digital, transforming the computer's binary outputs like zeros, 1s, into an analog representation of the binary data. Analog to digital conversion. Analog to digital conversion convert an analog input to a digital output. You can see in diagram analog signals, ADC convert into digital signals. Types of analog to digital converters. There are 4 types of converters. Number 1, counter type, integrating or dual slope, parallel or place, successive approximation. First, counter type. The working of a counter type ADC is as follows. The control logic resets the counter and enables the clock signals generation in order to send clock pulses to a counter. When it received the start commanding signal, the counter gets incremented by 1 for every clock pulse and its value will be binary digital format. In diagram, comparator, DAC convert to clock. Number 2, integrating or dual slope. In dual slope type ADC, the integrator generators two different ramps, one with the known analog input voltage VA and another with known as reference voltage V reference. Hence, it's called as dual slope A to D converter. Place converters. If we need a very speed conversions are needed, like video conversions, the most commonly used converters is place converter. While such converters are extremely fast, they are also very costly compared to other types. Here a 3 bits ADC circuit you can see. Last, successive approximation AD. The control logic reset all the bits of SAR and enables the clock signals generation in order to send the clock pulses to SAR. When it received the start commanding signal, the binary digital data present in SAR will be updated for every clock pulse based on the output comparator. You can see analog input, comparator, DAC output. Thank you everyone.